My name is Ramadan, and I'm originally from Wilson, North Carolina. So the backstory of this car is one day, this was one of my dream cars actually, and my brother beat me to it because he was older than me. And basically I ended up buying it off of him, and he actually helped me out a lot because while I was saving up for it, I'd like get wheels for it, exhaust, everything else I got done to it, planter spacer, intake, a bunch of other things, and eventually I ended up buying it off him. And from now it's just, just building on it. And I recently bought it from him a few months ago, and this is what it looks like now. But I've been building this car for like 3 years now, and this is where I'm at now.
All right, so pretty much this is my 2008 Chevrolet Corvette LS3. Before I had this car, I had a 2011 Ford Mustang. It was a V6 3.7. I ended up trading it in, getting this thing. Pretty much what I've done to it, I've done long tube headers. It is dumped. Corsa intake, carbon fiber. I did a conversion carbon fiber wide body kit on the rear with the carbon fiber hatchback. I mean, that's pretty much it. Looking to get it tuned soon, and I mean, right now I'm just working on it. The future, whatever the future holds.